Now this is going to be perfect if you just need to relax your brain and make all your worries go away for a little while. Super simple. And all we're going to need is a notebook, a Sharpie, and some paint. Now we're going to draw one continuous line tulip because it's finally spring. So we're going to start with one petal and add 2 or 3 more. Then we're going to do the stem and we're going to do 1 or 2 long leaves. After that, we're going to make some squiggly wavy lines all throughout our tulip. And now get your watercolor paint. Now you can color each shape individually or you can mix the colors. Now our goal is to relax our brain and just be present in this creative art making. So there's no wrong way of doing this. There's no I'm supposed to do this in art. So just paint with colors that make you happy and place them where they make you happy. Now I want my tulip to stand out a little bit more, so I'm going to go back in with my Sharpie and I'm going to go and make the lines around the tulip a little bit thicker and kind of round them off a little bit. Now I love this part. This is our final big reveal. Taking that tape off is always so satisfying. So if you need to disappear for a little while, do this. Just disappear in this and it's a good time.